Hi everyone. So today we will learn how to enable and disable breadcrumbs in VS Code editor. As you can see, I already opened the VS Code editor and I got a file here. It's basically a component, a TCX file. So in this file, you can see at the top, I'm getting a file path. And when I will move on this file from function to function, for example, if I will go here, you can see it is getting updated. So basically, if you have enabled breadcrumbs and VS Code editor, then whenever you work on your code file and change your position as you work, it will get updated. So you can see currently I'm in test function. So it is showing test function here. If I'll go in the handle click, I'll get handle click here. Also, when you click on this, you can see it will show all the functions that we have in this file, as well as a few more things such as this margin top and text line. So if I'll click on test function, it will take me to test function. If I'll click on handle click, it will take me to handle clicks. So that's how you can move in your code file. But if you find it annoying, like I do, because it's keep on changing as I take my cursor from here to there, in such cases, it is better to disable it. To disable breadcrumbs in VS Code editor, you need to go to view, then appearance, and here you will find breadcrumbs. Currently it is checked, so simply click on it to uncheck it. Now you can move, you can see it is not getting updated here. In a similar way, if you want to enable it, same process, go to view, click on appearance and click on breadcrumbs. And we are back again. So I hope you understood how to enable and disable breadcrumbs in VS Code editor. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.